One more. I got you too, eh?
Did you?
Yeah, I pulled. I think you said you were gonna jump, and so I was like treading on top of the water there, and I pulled the camera out, so it should have got you perfectly coming out from like behind this tree. You just see you pass by.
See, so those kids climbed up here, and they were gonna try and jump off the top there somehow. Which is like, I don't know, that seems real.
I think if you got to run at it,
Yeah,
but
they were looking at it, trying to, and I don't think they could get enough speed.
yeah.
It's crazy how you look at it from down there and you're like, it's not even that high. Then you're up here and you're like, the air time and everything, it's actually...
Yeah, it's actually a lot more.
I used to never do stuff like this. I didn't even want to get... Ready to rumble.
Okay, ready?